felt like trying something new, so I went to Costco to get some Branzino fish, and look what I made. Welcome to another recipe, family. So glad that you have decided to stop by. Do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so every time I push a yummy video out, you will be notified. Today we are gonna make Branzino fish in the oven with a yummy lemon garlic butter sauce. How does that sound to you? Oh my goodness. So first things first, let's select our Branzino. So went to Costco, got me this Branzino. I got me like 6 of them. So brought it home. When you bring it home, you want to go ahead and wash it. Look inside the middle, get all the blood out. Wash it with some lime and water, pat it dry. And once you're done doing that, we want to make some slits into our fish, because this is where we're gonna put the seasoning in. So you gotta cut some slits into your fish, okay? Whatever you do on one side, you do it on the other side. Okay, let me know in the comments if you've ever had Branzino fish before. And another thing about this fish, it's delicate and it's very yummy, and you don't need a whole lot of seasonings. You don't want to overpower it because it's a delicate fish and it can take the seasoning really well. So I'm gonna be using Himalayan salt. I'm gonna salt both sides of the fish, and I'm going up in the head because over here we eat the head. Okay, so go up in there, season up that head really good, and the slits that's in the fish, you want to go ahead and put the seasoning in those slits. Okay, so first Himalayan salt, then we're gonna go ahead and add our black pepper. You're gonna do the same thing. If you have white pepper powder, you can go ahead and add white pepper powder. So we're gonna sprinkle it on both sides, go inside the middle of it, do the same thing, get our garlic powder, and you're gonna shake that garlic powder on there, shake it in the middle. Whatever you do on one side, you do it on the next side. And don't worry, all the ingredients to this recipe is in the description box of this video. So now we're sprinkling our garlic powder. Get your dried oregano. If you have dried parsley, whatever you have, get it, but don't overpower this fish with a whole lot of seasoning. Then I'm gonna brush on the olive oil. I should have done this before I added the seasoning, but guess what? In cooking, this is what happens. So while you're still here watching this deliciousness, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and let's go. So once you do that, you're gonna sprinkle a little flour on the skin, and the reason I'm doing this is because I want a crispiness once I bake this in the oven. So whatever you do on one side, do it on the other side. Don't overpower it, just enough that it can get crispy. Okay, and while this is happening, begin to preheat your oven to 525 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so now let's get to the stuffing of it. I'm using lemon, parsley, and fresh garlic to stuff it with, and I had some rosemary. Okay, if you have whatever fresh herbs you have, go ahead and use it right now. And before we lay the fish down, I remember I need to put some onions down first, then we'll lay the fish down. Okay, so remember, at this time the oven is pre-baking. If you have not subscribed yet and you're still looking, go ahead and do that. We're gonna bake this in the oven. When it gets to 10 minutes, you want to turn it over to the other side, and then for the last 5 minutes you want to put it on broil so you can get that nice brown crispiness. Okay, oh my gosh, this looks and smells amazing. Now let's make the lemon butter sauce. Of course, we're gonna begin with butter. You're gonna use your fresh minced garlic. Once you've got that in there, then we're gonna let this mix around, let it all melt, and till when you start smelling your garlic, you know you're in business. Pour that lemon juice in, get your fresh parsley, add your salt for taste, add you some black pepper, taste it, make sure it's to your liking, and This is our lemon butter sauce. You're gonna let this come to a nice little boil, and then once that's done, you're good to go. Now our branzino fish is ready. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. Let me know in the comments what you're having this with. I made some asparagus, I made some quinoa and Haitian pickles to have this with. Oh my gosh, looks so good. So good. Now you made this at home. Can you tell me that this don't look like fine dining? Pour that lemon butter sauce on, and while you at it, give your girl a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and get into this branzino fish. I hope you enjoy this recipe. I hope you turn heads at the dinner table, and I hope you leave me a comment in the description box of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an awesome dinner. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Melts in your mouth. So delicious.